Hello students, good morning. This class is for class 5 science class. Students, today we will do growth and development in plants on page number 10. Growth and development of plants depend on different kinds of soil, climate and season. So if the soil, climate and season are different, plants growth will be affected and it will also be different. Now we will understand that how soil affect on plants growth. Soil is one of the important factor for growing plants. Soil is very important one of the factor for the growth of the plant. Plants root are attached inside the soil itself. Different plants need different kinds of soil. Different kinds of soil means student different type of soil. All the plants don't have same requirement. Different plant have different type of requirement, and different type of soil give them different kinds of thing according to their requirement. That is why different plant need different kinds of soil for their proper growth. Rice and jute grow in loamy and clayey soil, which can hold plenty of water. You must have seen rice plant where there is rice grown. So much of water is accumulated along their root side. Rice and jute plant need more accumulated water, plenty of water, and loamy and clayey soil can hold that water. So more rice is grown in West Bengal. Here West Bengal soil is loamy and clayey soil. That's why West Bengal grow plenty of rice and jute. Wheat is grown in loamy and irrigated soil of Punjab and Uttar Pradesh. Okay. Jawar and Bajra are grown in sandy soil of Rajasthan. Jawar and Bajra need sandy soil so that water pass out from the soil. It is very good for Jawar and Bajra. That's why it is mainly grown in Rajasthan. They grow very nice in Rajasthan's soil. Cotton grows best in the black soil of central and western India. Tea plant are grown in moist soil of hilly areas of Assam, Nilgiri Hills and Darjeelings. Maize plants grow well in dry soil of plains or hills. Coconut tree grow in coastal areas like Kerala and Goa. Coconut tree needs salty water. That's why they grow around the coastal part of our Kerala and Goa very nicely. Onion and groundnut need well drained sandy soil. So onion and groundnut need sandy soil. Okay. Now you come to your next page. Climate. Different plants are adapted to different climate. Some plants like rubber need heavy rainfall, while coconut trees are adapted to damp and moist climate. Conifers are adapted to hilly area with snowfall, whereas cactus grow best in desert area. This you people also understand very nicely, isn't it? In some places, some tree grow very nice. If we plant an apple tree here near in our garden, that apple tree is not going to grow well and not going to give apples also, because they need cold weather. Our climate is not suitable for that. Just an example I am giving. Okay. Seasons also affect the growth of plant very much. Plants of one kind grown in a particular area during a particular period of time are called crops. So what are crops? Crops are the plant of one kind. Remember it, one kind are grown in a particular area during a particular period is called crops. Different crops are grown in different season. Crops that are grown in winter are called rabi crops. Wheat, gram, barley are some rabi crops. Okay. Crops that are grown in summer are called kharif crops. Rice, jawar, bajra, maize, jute, cotton are some kharif crops. Kharif crops. Vegetables like brinjal, gourd and pumpkin are grown in summer, whereas cabbage, pea, radish, beans are grown in, yes, winter. Now, no more to know. See there, growing crops in a field is called cultivation. And if you grow crops in a field, not in your garden, okay, in the field, it will be called cultivation. Now you can turn your page. Getting good yield from crops. Besides favorable climatic condition, plants also need manure and chemical fertilizer to increase the growth and crop yield. Okay. Dead and decaying plants, animal waste and cow dung are common manures. Urea, ammonia sulfates, nitrate and sulfur phosphates are some common chemical fertilizers. So fertilizers are of two types. One is chemical fertilizer, okay, another one is manures. Insecticides and pesticides are the chemicals that are sprayed on plants to protect them from various insects and pests. DDT and Gamaxin are common insecticide. Very common insecticide, DDT and Gamaxin. We can spray it on the plant and to protect our plant from insects and pests. Okay. Good and healthy crops can be produced by using these tips. Using the under said tips. Using healthy and good quality of seeds for sowing, preparing the soil and land well before sowing, adding right quantity of manure and fertilizers to the soil as it increases production, irrigating the plants properly, removing weeds from the fields for proper growth of plant. What do you mean by this point? Removing weeds. Weeds are the unwanted plants which grow along with our crops. We should remove it time to time. Using insecticides and pesticides in right quantity to keep the plant pest free. These points, if we follow this point, we will get healthy and good crops. Okay. Now we will see how to protect and store our crops. Protection and storage of crops. The crops should be protected from pests like caterpillar, locust and grasshoppers, and against grazing animals also like cows, goats, etc. Proper fencing of farming areas should be done so that animals cannot enter the field. After harvesting, grains should be protected from fungi, rats, birds, insects, pests and moisture. Agriculture. What is agriculture? The practice of growing crops on a large scale is called agriculture. Growing crops in a large scale is called agriculture. It is needed to feed the people of the country. A good crop adds to the wealth of the country, so we should take proper care of plants. Now we will know about bonsai. You might be fascinated about bonsai. Have you seen bonsai? Bonsai are the small dwarfed, very beautiful looking plant. Bonsai is the ancient Japanese art of growing miniature trees. Trees are kept in small pots by pruning and sharpening them from time to time. Okay, students. This much for today's class. Have a good day. Bye-bye.